Today I'm working on the 98 Spyder. So earlier today I went out to the junkyard, got myself I got the whole steering column actually, just in case I needed more than just the ignition. See, there's a crack right there, so I just went and got the whole steering column so I wouldn't have to start it with a screwdriver. And here's the steering column I got from the junkyard. Picked it up for $35. No, yeah, about $35. With 3 other bolts for the suspension. So I took this cover off here, the top and the bottom. And I can see right here that these thieves messed up the windshield wiper motor selector. Assholes. So that'll be getting replaced. Good thing I bought it. Looks like I'm gonna have to pull the steering wheel. This is kind of in my way. A lot of broken shit around there, so we'll get a better view with the steering wheel off. In case anyone's curious on how the steering wheel comes off, it's just 4 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 3 wires that are, well, 2 actually, to the airbag. These 2 wires. And that's it. And then this nut. And then pull it off. Or bang it around. It's gonna be tight. So the steering wheel's off. Now I can get a better view. So it looks like I do have to change the whole steering column. You can see, I was trying to get it from right here. You can kind of see where they meet right there. That's split. Well, if you look on top, there's no screw, nothing. Here's the other one. So the whole thing's gonna have to come off. This sucks. I really didn't want to do that, but I have to. This is what it's looking like with that panel off. Just a bunch of wiring. There's 4 bolts. Here, I'll show you on this. So there's 4 bolts on this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 2 here. And then where it's splined, you'll see it's a 12 millimeter bolt. You gotta pull that completely out. And then it'll come off. It's hard to explain and record when I need both hands. Okay, I got all the bolts out of it, and this thing should just slide right off. Just like this. Ooh, there it is. I got the steering column mounted with just 2 bolts. I was just playing with the turn signals here. It looks like this right here, it's hard to see. If I can focus it in. Nope. Anyways, there's like a black thing here that cancels that. And then it's on the left hand side. And to me, I'm gonna guess that that goes right there in the center. And then those 2 arrows lined up right there, if you can see them. And this goes like that. That should be lined up for the turn signals. At least I'm hoping. I guess we'll find out when I put the steering wheel on. Okay, so this piece is secured, so I think this is gonna work. Left turn signal. This moves. It clicks right about there. Cancels. Right turn signal. Click. And it cancels. So I'm crossing my fingers this works. I have the steering wheel sitting in place. Just gotta tighten up that nut and then the airbag in that panel. Actually, I want to test it before I close everything. Got the battery hooked up. Here's the key. No more screwdriver. Let's see what happens. I don't even know if it'll start actually. Oh, clutch. Son of a bitch. wipers work. Well, I can't test the horn because I don't have the airbag in. She's got potential. Well, I guess I did mess up somewhere. If you see here, I put the signal on, turn it all the way, still blinking. Right there, the wheel's straight now. And when I put it to the right, turn, it goes away quicker. Right there. The wheel's straight there. Interesting. I'm not gonna pull it apart for just that though. As long as I can do this, I'm happy, I think. So it got dark out real quick, so here's the car back together. That panel right there looks so much better. It's so much better with a ignition instead of using the screwdriver. Oh, it got dark real quick. Well, time to call it quits.